Congratulations, family. We've reached 2,000 subscribers. This is not just a milestone, it's proof that community matters. Welcome back to Spiritual Meanings, the home of hidden wisdom, folklore, and ancient truths brought to life. Today we're exploring the spiritual meaning of unity, why U plus I in unity is our true power, and how nature and folklore remind us of this timeless truth. And before we dive in, I want to say thank you for every comment, like, and share. Without you, none of this would be possible. U plus I in unity. Let's begin with the word itself, community. Break it down and you see you and I, unity. Community is not just people gathering, it's the divine reminder that you and I are one. Spiritually, it's the most powerful design. Separation weakens us, but unity restores us. Ants, strength in numbers. Consider the ants. Tiny creatures, yet unstoppable when united. One ant can carry a crumb, but thousands can move mountains. Spiritually, ants remind us that collective effort multiplies power. When you feel small, remember, you were never meant to carry the load alone. Ask the audience, have you ever seen ants working together? Share in the comments what it taught you. Bees shared abundance. Now look at the bees. One bee makes a drop of honey, but the hive produces sweetness for generations. Their dance, their work, their harmony, all for the greater good. Spiritually, bees teach us that abundance is not hoarded, but shared. Wealth created by the hive sustains the hive. Trees, hidden roots. And what about trees? A single tree is strong, but a forest is unshakable. Underground, their roots are connected, exchanging life, nutrients, and wisdom unseen. Trees remind us that even when we appear separate, our souls are connected beneath the surface. This hidden network is what makes the forest thrive. Folklore of togetherness. In ancient folklore, strength was never found in isolation. Villages survived because of unity, tribes thrived because of connection. The wise elders told stories that reminded people of this truth. Togetherness was sacred. Even in myths, the heroes always had a tribe, a fellowship, or a community standing with them. Sparks into fire. Alone we are sparks, but together we are fire. One candle lights a room, but thousands create a sunrise. This is why unity is divine, because it multiplies light. Community is the flame that cannot be put out. The dream team. Think of community as the dream team. Each person has a unique role, like bees in the hive or roots in the forest. One brings wisdom, another brings creativity, another brings courage. Alone, each gift is valuable. Together, they are unstoppable. Modern disconnect. But let's be honest, the modern world often celebrates isolation. Social media makes us feel connected, but many feel lonelier than ever. Spiritually, this is dangerous. Because without unity, we lose the balance our ancestors understood. That's why building true community matters now more than ever. Inner Circle mention, light. And that's one reason I built the Inner Circle Vault. Not for me, but for us. A place where the deeper teachings live, books, unseen videos, podcasts, and even the tools to help you create your own journey. It's affordable at £5 because I want everyone to have access. This is our modern hive, our living forest, our circle of sparks becoming fire. Ancient symbols of unity. Across cultures, symbols of unity appear everywhere. The Celtic knot, unbroken and endless. The African Adinkra symbol Fawahodi, meaning interdependence. The Native American talking circle, where everyone has a voice. These symbols remind us that unity has always been sacred. Spiritual power of support. Community gives us spiritual support. Alone, doubt grows. Together, faith multiplies. This is why even the most enlightened seekers gathered disciples, brothers, or tribes. Because we lift each other when we stumble, and we shine brighter when we rise together. You are part of this, and that includes you. This channel is not just mine, it's ours. Your comments, your shares, your thoughts, they shape the journey. Without you, there is no flame. That's why I celebrate not just 2,000 subscribers, but 2,000 voices walking together. What is the Inner Circle? If you want to go deeper, that's why the Inner Circle exists. Inside are exclusive books, unseen teachings, and even a custom GPT guide trained on years of knowledge. It's for the deep divers, for those ready to carry this flame further. For £5, you step into the hive, the forest, the circle. It's alive and it's waiting. Reflection. So remember the ants, the bees, and the trees. Each shows us that unity is the secret of survival, abundance, and growth. You and I in unity is more than a word. It is a divine reminder that together, we are limitless. Outro family, thank you for helping us reach 2,000 strong. This is just the beginning. Let's grow this flame, this hive, this circle together. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Do you feel more like the ant, the bee, or the tree? And if you're ready for the deeper journey, join us in the inner circle. The link is below. Until next time, alone we are sparks, together we are fire.